Hey y'all, Hunter with it back, and today we're actually making Haunt Build Part 4, which is we're now going to be starting building. So as you can see, we are building the church right there from the model, and it is coming up to be great. And as you can see, this guy we got Ultra Skelly from Home Depot. I didn't decide to make a video about putting them together. I will next year though. So yeah, that's all good. So we're going to start building now. Alright, so we are now putting on the church walls. It's going to go right here in this exact area. It's actually going to look pretty tall. So we are starting to build the front. We are starting to build the front of the church. Yeah, it's going to be tall. The front, which is right there, and we're gonna enter like that, and yeah. All right, so we are now almost done with the church, and it's looking really tall. So I'm 5'1", and I'm going up against this thing. Look at it. That's going all the way up to 11 feet right there. I think, yeah, that's basically like 11, well, 10 feet right now. We'll go up to 11 pretty soon. But, yeah, it's gonna look pretty crazy.